Alright, folks, gather round because today we're diving into the fascinating life of the one and only Marina Marina. Now, Marina was born in 1970 in a little old city called Tambov, nestled in rural Russia. And let me tell you, this gal had talent oozing out of her from day one. At a tender age, Marina discovered her love for tickling the ivories and started playing the piano. And guess what? She was so darn good that she got accepted into a special school for musically gifted kiddos when she was just 7 years old. Talk about a prodigy in the making. But Marina's journey didn't stop there, my friends. After graduating from both musical and comprehensive school at the ripe age of 17, she knew she needed some moolah to continue her education. So, she landed a gig at a nearby factory as an assistant to a graphic designer in the advertising department. Little did she know, this job would unveil a hidden talent within her. Out of the blue, Marina discovered that she had a knack for design and a natural gift for artistry. Can you believe it? I mean, talk about stumbling upon your true calling. It was like a light bulb moment for her, and she knew she had to pursue this newfound passion. In 1990, Marina took a leap of faith and successfully entered the Faculty of Fine Arts at Kostroma State Necrasov University. And let me tell you, she didn't waste a single moment there. Marina was a force to be reckoned with, my friends. She dove headfirst into self-education, constantly pushing herself to new creative heights and honing her professional skills. But that's not all, folks. Marina wasn't content with just sticking to one genre or technique. Oh no, she wanted to explore it all. She dabbled in different styles, experimented with various mediums, and boy, did she make waves. During her time at university, Marina joined forces with a group of young, rebellious painters from Kostroma. They were like a band of artistic misfits, ready to take the world by storm. Together, they showcased their incredible talents at the Kostroma Literary Museum exhibition called 3+3. And let me tell you, Marina's star was on the rise. Before she knew it, Marina was rubbing shoulders with the big shots in the art world. She started participating in art shows and exhibitions organized by the Kostroma Chapter of the Russian Artists' Union. Can you imagine the thrill she must have felt? It was like a dream come true for this small-town girl with big dreams. And that, my friends, is just the beginning of Marina Marina's incredible journey. From a musically gifted child to a talented designer and fine artist, she's proven time and time again that she's a force to be reckoned with. So, stay tuned because we're about to uncover even more about this remarkable artist. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.